Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming to you guys with a new video, and I got my first bag from Hermes. So I went to the Hermes store yesterday and picked this bad boy up. Well, actually, to rewind it back, as y'all know, I did my last little mini haul, what was it, like a week or two ago, and my initial time going into the store, I was actually there to pick up an HerBag, and I didn't get it. The one that they had in stock was blue. So I ended up shopping for other things, you know, my bracelet, my lovely scarf that I have, my wallet. And I love all the stuff that I have, but I wanted a bag. I wanted this bag. So thankfully my SA was able to order it in for me. She held it for me. She called me Tuesday or Wednesday, and I told her that I couldn't get down to the store until Saturday, and she graciously held it for me, and I went and picked it up. And we're gonna go ahead and talk about it. I'll show it to y'all. There's really no need to like unbox this. And just so you know, as soon as I went to the store and picked it up, I wore it out of the store. I didn't want to wait to unbox it for y'all. Like, I bought it for me. So this is the big box that it came in. This is the biggest box that I have right now. So take off the top. Okay, it comes like that. All right, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom. And when I got it, the handles were all wrapped in plastic and everything. Here is the dust bag that it comes in. There's like a little pillow of tissue paper underneath that. I'm not the first person to unbox this bag, child. If y'all really need to see the nitty-gritty on all of that, please, by all means, go check another channel's video out. But here is the bag, and this is the HerBag 31 zip, I believe, in the retourne style. I'll let y'all take a little 360. I've already put the lock on the back, and I have the keys here. My thought is definitely to get a bag charm for it, but I actually did get a Twilly, which I will show y'all next after we get into this bag. For a little background, I've been wanting this bag. I've been wanting an Hermes bag. Y'all know that I have one other bag from them, and I'll be honest with you, I'm really close to purse piece because I have a brown bag, now I have a black bag, and the only thing left for me to get at this point is a pop of color in a smaller size. As I'm going along in this whole Hermes journey, so corny, right? This whole idea of you having to spend copious amounts of money in order to be offered a bag. There's also a part of me that's like, well, maybe I'll get a small Picotin and that will be the bag that ends my trifecta of bags from Hermes. And then I just stopped caring about a Birkin, because I do want a Birkin 30. I don't think I want a 25. The idea of having a bag that I can only hold like this is a little silly to me, and I do like the whole crook of your arm thing, which I can do with this bag. This is a shoulder bag. To give you some mod shots, and excuse me, as y'all know, I've struggled with my weight. I'm in like my 180s now, and I'm doing the best that I can, but it's hard. This is how the bag looks on. Thankfully I'm wearing all black, so I look slimmer than usual, but she's cute. This is the bag, just holding it. For reference, I am 5'3", 185 pounds, but I am in black. That is how big the bag is. It's not huge, but it definitely carries a lot of stuff, which is a big part of the reason why I got the bag. I wanted it for work as well as outings. It is casual enough. The retourne style makes it casual enough. I did wear it out for a brunch date that I had yesterday, and you know, with the Twilly and everything, and it was a vibe. So the next thing is to get like a rodeo or a Pegasus for it. Who knows? I don't know. What's cool about it is the hardware is slightly different. I did go ahead and take the sticker off. When you get the bag, all of these areas here have stickers on them, and I will actually, for the video, take these stickers off so y'all can see. Okay. This really cute hardware. All right. Isn't that dope? And then let's take the sticker off this side. Tarnishing is a thing that you will deal with if you risk it and leave the stickers on. So I took them off, and then up close on the lock, there's the lock. if you're curious about what that looks like. Super shiny. I don't wear the bag like this. I just did this for the video. I actually, and this is how I was told to keep it like this. Oh wait, hold on. I keep it like that when it's closed, and then sometimes like that too. There's like a little hinge here on the bottom of the lock that, if you notice already, is leaving a small indentation in the leather. That indentation's already there. It's not a big deal, but it also just leads me to believe that this leather will, you know, as I'm pulling this back and forth, we're gonna see wear. So I'm definitely gonna try and keep y'all abreast to the wear on this bag. Oh, and here are the keys. Okay, so there are the keys to the bag as well. I'm not big on prices. This thing was expensive, all right? This is the most expensive bag that I have. And like I said, I got it new from the store, and I'm very happy that I got it new from the store, just because for what I'm paying, I just want the whole experience. I'll go ahead and open up the bag for you. This is what that inside flap looks like. That pops open, and then here is the bag inside. It comes with this little pouch here that's attached to the bag as well, that you can use for storage, which is funny enough because, and this comes out, by the way, I already have my bolide case, and I actually wore my bolide case into the store when I picked this bad boy up. And my essay didn't notice, but another essay noticed, because I had it on a silver chain and I was wearing this as like a mini bag, and they were like, oh, I like what you did with the bolide. I'm glad that somebody noticed that. I got creative with the brand. I have all these little ideas that I'm thinking about. There's one where maybe I'll get like a long Twilly and feed it through a metal chain, kind of Chanel style, and then maybe add that to this bag, or maybe even this bag. My thought is to take this long black strap off and put a chain on it, just to make the bag a little edgier. But yeah, as you can see, the bag is fairly spacious. It's very lightweight. If you're curious about how much stuff can go in this bag, it's a lot. I don't know if this bag can fit a laptop, so I will try that right now. I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro. We'll see if it can fit in this bag. So obviously it can fit right side up if that's like what you're trying to do, but I don't really know if, let's try it sideways. Let's see here. I mean, oh child, it fits there. So yeah, you could put it in here and like wear it tote style, I guess. Well, actually, I kind of like was able to do that. Hold up. Yeah, you can fit a 13-inch MacBook in here. Let's see if we can close it all the way. Oh, honey, it's a tight squeeze, but it fits. With the leather top closed as well, it fits, okay? And I could even go even further, and for security do that number. Hold up. It's a tight squeeze though, okay? It is a tight squeeze, but the 13-inch MacBook Pro fits in there. Now that I've shown y'all the bag, I'll go ahead and show y'all the Twilly that I got. And gotta love that upsell hustle. I got to the store and my SA pulled Twillies for me to add to the bag. She brought out some blues and some navies. I ended up going with this really cool navy Twilly that is in here. Aren't those cute? The Twilly containers are so cute. Yeah, I have to find a place for like all my Hermes boxes and stuff. So here is the Twilly. Now personally, let me just see if I can get up close on it. It's got like feathers. Okay, that is the design, some feathers, which so pretty. This navy is so nice. And then obviously I can wear it also on my Vespa as well. Hopefully I can do this. She showed me twice in store how to wrap this Twilly. Okay, so we're gonna do it like this, and I kind of like it where it's like that. It has like little collars. So I'm gonna go around. Okay, hold up. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. So I'm gonna take it around town, and they actually did it slightly different, but this is how I've been doing it. So y'all let me know if there's like a cleaner way to do this. Okay. I'm also making sure that it's turned the right way. I wish I could do this faster, but y'all get the vibes, okay? Alright, so that's one collar, and then we start twirling it around the handle. And they actually did it way more taut. And like I said, these little pieces were way smaller, but I just like the vibe of having more hanging down. So I'm actually doing it a lot wider than they did in store. And I think everybody's got their ways about it. And this is my way. And they say it's easier to do it with a round handle, but I'll be honest, I think the flat handle makes it easy because it's flat. Okay, I may have to move it over just a smidge, because again, I want this side to also have like a long little. Okay. Okay, so then I'm gonna come around and hopefully this lays flat. Okay. All right, and then kind of puff it up that way like a bow tie. And voila, your Twilly is tied, and there you go. So that's my Twilly on the handle. So cute. And I like that the branding is limited. I have my LV stuff that's covered in the logo. I just love how low-key this is. You gotta really get up on the bag to see that. And I like that. So this is my new baby. This is probably gonna be the bag that I carry the most. So we will definitely know about wear and tear here soon enough. I've been spending a lot of time in my Prada pouch too. I've been putting my metal chain on that as well. The mini bag thing has been big, but now that we're going into fall winter, I think a nice black bag is going to be the look. So yeah, this is my new HerBag. I'm so happy with it. Just to give y'all a last 360 on the bag. It's the Retourne style, slouchy. There's the front of the bag with the Twilly. Ugh, I really did that. I think I actually like the way the Twilly looks compared to all the other times I did it. There is the back of the bag with the lock. Right now our keys are a little bag charm, but I want to get, I think considering where we've been going with this, I maybe want to get a blue bag charm or a mustard colored bag charm. And then yeah, that's the back of the bag. Oh, forgot about this little pouch that carries a bunch of stuff. My essay talked about how, you know, when you're out and about in the world, this is where you can keep all your stuff, you know, your cell phone, a little card holder, whatever. I am very curious to see if this bag could maybe be flipped inside out to be made to the Cellier style. I have not tried that yet. I think with time, once this top breaks in, I'll break this bag apart. You can remove this piece here and mix and match. So that's a thought for the future. If you like this video, you want to see more videos from me, definitely let me know by leaving, you know, comments, likes, and all the other ways you can interact with the video down below. Till next video, peace.